Hi students, welcome to chemistry class. Students, today we discuss 12th standard chemistry lesson 12 carbonyl compounds. So very important lesson. Topic introductions and IUPAC nomenclatures of carbonyl compounds. Generally carbonyl compounds, aldehydes and ketones are carbonyl compounds. Functional group C double bond O functional group. So now we discuss IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. Now we discuss introduction. So many compounds containing C double bond O functional group. So C double bond O functional group is the carbonyl group. C double bond O functional group in our everyday life. So many compounds, so many compounds. For example, medicines, syrups, vaccines, okay, are carbonyl compounds. Generally biomolecules, for example protein, carbohydrates, etc., that make up all plants and animals contain carbonyl group. Okay, so protein contains many carbonyl groups. Okay, COOH acid groups, C double bond O group, ketone group, then aldehyde group. Okay, carbohydrate contains carbonyl groups. Okay, so many molecules, okay, biomolecules also contain carbonyl group, C double bond O functional group. The carbonyl group play an important role in metabolic process. Okay, so metabolic process occur in our body, so human body. Okay, so metabolic process also occur in human body, animals, plants. Okay, so any one living organisms metabolic process can occur, right? Example, pyridoxal is an aldehyde derived from vitamin B. Okay, so pyridoxal is an aldehyde derived from vitamin B. Functions of pyridoxal as a coenzyme. Okay, so pyridoxal act as a coenzyme derived from vitamin B. Okay, generally pyridoxal is an aldehyde. So aldehyde group means C double bond O group. Okay, CHO group is the aldehyde group. CHO group, aldehyde group, C double bond O group, keto group, COOH group, acid group. Okay, so carbonyl compounds are important constituent of fabric, plastics and drugs. Okay, so plastics prepared from many organic compounds. Okay, so this organic compound contains carbonyl groups. For example, okay, important constituent fabric, plastic and drugs. Example for drugs, for example formaldehyde used for the manufacture of bakelite. So bakelite is a polymer. Okay, important one of the polymer, that means plastic bakelite. Then paracetamol is a drug, okay, used for reducing fever. So paracetamol means para acetylated aminophenol. Okay, para-acetylated aminophenol is the paracetamol. Okay, so paracetamol is a drug used to reduce fever. Okay, என்ன பண்ணும், உடலோட வெப்பத்தை வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தணிக்கும். சரியா, உடல் வெப்பத்தை குறைக்கிறதுக்காக நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், பேராசிட்டாமல் டேப்லெட் எடுத்துக்கிறோம். ஓகேவா, ஸோ பேராசிட்டாமல் இஸ் ஏ ட்ரக் யூஸ்டு டு ரெடியூஸ் ஃபீவர். Okay, so the paracetamol drug contains a carbonyl group. Okay, paracetamol contains a carbonyl group, right? Now in this unit we will discuss preparation, properties and uses of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. So aldehyde CHO functional group, ketone C double bond O functional group, carboxylic acid COOH group. Okay, COOH group. So aldehyde CHO group. Okay, aldehyde CHO group, ketone C double bond O group, keto group. Okay, keto group C double bond O group, right? Then acid group C O O H group. Okay, carboxylic acid group, right? Right. So now we discuss IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes and ketone. So nomenclature is very important. Okay, so students already learnt in the last year 11th standard classes. Okay, basic rules of IUPAC systems. Okay, now let us applying rules to name the compounds of aldehydes and ketones. Okay, so IUPAC naming system contains 4 parts. First one parts prefix, second one parts root word, third one part primary suffix, fourth one part secondary suffix. Okay, so prefix is the substituent. Okay, so any one substituent directly attached to the root word or longest backbone chain of the compound, right? So prefix is substituent. Then second one part root word. So root word is the longest carbon backbone chain is the root word. Then next third one part primary suffix. Primary suffix is the saturated or unsaturated. Okay va, and the compound la double bond present ஆயிருக்கா, root word இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, அந்த root word இருக்கிற அந்த செயின்ல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டபுள் பாண்ட் present ஆயிருக்கா, ட்ரிபிள் பாண்ட் present ஆயிருக்கா அல்லது சிங்கிள் பாண்ட் ஒன்லி ஒன் பாண்ட் மட்டும் present ஆயிருக்கான்னு சொல்லி சொல்றது தான் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த primary suffix. Okay, saturated or unsaturation, saturation or unsaturation. Then next secondary suffix. So secondary suffix is the very important. Okay, suppose the given compound is aldehyde, add the secondary suffix ale. Okay, al, ale for aldehyde. Okay, the given compound is aldehyde means the secondary suffix is ale. Okay, suppose the given compound is ketone. Suppose the given compound is ketone, we use the secondary suffix one. Okay, O-N-E, on. Okay, right? So aldehyde functional group use ale secondary suffix. Okay, suppose keto functional group secondary suffix is 1, right? So now try to name the given organic compound of carbonyl compounds. So compound common name formaldehyde. Compound common name formaldehyde. Structural formula of formaldehyde HCHO. HCHO is the structural formula of aldehyde. Okay, so generally the structure of this compound C double bond O H. Okay, right? Okay, so structure of the formaldehyde. So only one carbon present in formaldehyde. Okay, only one carbon. So one carbon means root word meth. Okay, one carbon means meth. Okay, bond, saturated bond. Okay, so this CO group not consider. Okay, this group not consider, only taken for functional group. Okay, right? So generally see this HCHO. Okay, only one bond present, only single bond present, only one carbon present. Okay, so root word meth, saturated compound methane ale. Okay, so aldehyde functional group add Al. Okay, MECHANAL, methanal. Okay, methanal is the IUPAC name of formaldehyde. Okay, so there is a no prefix in formaldehyde. Root word, so only one carbon present. Okay, meth. Primary suffix only single bond present, add ANE. Okay, E silent. Secondary suffix aldehyde functional group, add Al. So IUPAC name of the formaldehyde methanal. Okay, methanal. Okay, methanal, Al, right? Then next one compound acetaldehyde. So common name of the given organic compound acetaldehyde. Structural formula of the compound CH3CHO. Okay, CH3CHO, acetaldehyde. Okay, so 2 carbon present, 1 carbon, 2 carbon. Okay, so 2 carbon using the root word eth. Saturated bond AN, add ANE, saturated bond. Then aldehydic functional group, add al for secondary suffix. So name of the given compound ethanal is the IUPAC name of acetaldehyde. Okay, so there is a no substituent in acetaldehyde. Okay, so no substituent. Okay, no substituent. Root word eth, root word eth. Okay, single bond present, add ANE. Secondary suffix aldehyde functional group, add Al. Okay, so IUPAC name of the given acetaldehyde ethanal. Okay, ethanal is the IUPAC name of acetaldehyde, right? Then next one compound acrolein. Okay, acrolein, structural formula of acrolein. So acrolein means 3 carbon present. Okay, 3 carbon, CH2 double bond, CH2 double bond, CHO. Okay, so numbering start from aldehyde functional group, aldehyde carbon, carbon carbon, 1 carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. Okay, so 3 carbon, use the root word prof. Okay, second carbon contain 1 double bond, so add ENE, primary suffix. Secondary suffix aldehyde functional group, add Al. Okay, so no substituent in this compound, right? No substituent in this compound. Okay, right? So 3 carbon prof, second carbon contain 1 double bond, prof 2 in al. Okay, al is the aldehyde functional group. Okay, so secondary suffix al. Okay, IUPAC name for this compound prof 2 in al. Okay, 2-prophenyl, 2-prophenyl. Okay, generally named for acrolein 2-prophenyl. Okay, en sound. So root word prof, second carbon contain 1 double bond, so 2 in, secondary suffix al. Okay, aldehyde functional group இருந்ததுன்னா அங்கே செகண்டரி சஃபிக்ஸ் என்ன தான் வரும், ஏஎல் தான் ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேங்களா, ஆல்டிகைட் ஃபங்க்ஷனல் குரூப்னாவே ஏஎல் ஆட் பண்ணணும். கீட்டோ ஃபங்க்ஷனல் குரூப்னாக்கா ஓஎன்ஏ ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா, அங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு கார்பன் அது ஆல்டிகைட் ஃபங்க்ஷனல் குரூப். ஓகேவா, அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்னா செகண்டரி சஃபிக்ஸில் நீங்கள் ஏஎல் தான் ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா, ஸோ ஐயூபிஎஸ்சி நேம் ஃபார் அக்ரோலின் prof-2-enyl. Okay, 2-enyl. Okay, va? Right? So 2-prophenyl, generally named for 2-prophenyl. So 2 is the double bond present at a second carbon. Okay, so prof-2-enyl. Okay, prof-2-enyl is the IUPAC name of acrolein. Then next one, example, croton aldehyde. Croton aldehyde. Okay, 4 carbon present in croton aldehyde. Structural formula of croton aldehyde: CH3 CH double bond CH CHO. Okay, so 4 carbon present, 1 double bond present, 1 aldehyde functional group present. Okay, numbering start from carbonyl carbon aldehyde functional group 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 4 carbon, use root word but. Okay, second carbon contain 1 double bond. Okay, ene, primary suffix ene. There is no substituent in croton aldehyde. Okay, then 1 aldehyde functional group present. So secondary suffix, we use secondary suffix ale. Right? ஓகேங்களா, ரூட் வேர்ட் பியூட், செகண்ட் கார்பன் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு டபுள் பாண்ட் இருக்கு. ஸோ பிரைமரி சஃபிக்ஸ் ஈன், தென் ஆல்டிகைட் ஃபங்க்ஷனல் குரூப். ஸோ செகண்டரி சஃபிக்ஸ் ஏல். ஓகே, ஸோ நேம் ஃபார் திஸ் croton aldehyde, no substituent. Root word 4 carbon present, so but, root word but. Then second carbon contain 1 double bond, so 2-ene. Then aldehyde functional group, add Al. Okay, secondary suffix Al. So name for croton aldehyde, IUPAC name for croton aldehyde, but-2-enyl. But-2-enyl. Okay, enyl, but-2-enyl. Okay, but-2-enyl or 2-butynyl. Butynyl, 2-butynyl. Right. Then next one example, glyceraldehyde. Common name for this compound, glyceraldehyde. So glyceraldehyde, 3 carbon present. Right. Structural formula of glyceraldehyde. Okay. So 2 hydroxyl functional group present. Okay. 1 aldehyde functional group present. Okay. 3 carbon. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. Okay. Right, so glycerol 3 hydroxyl functional group present in glycerol. Glycol 2 functional group present, hydroxyl functional group present. Okay, in this case 1 hydroxyl group is removed. Okay, this group 1 carbon changed into carbonyl carbon. Right. So okay, so second carbon and third carbon contained hydroxyl functional group. Okay, 2 hydroxyl functional group, 1 aldehyde functional group, root word 3 carbon, so prof. 2,3 dihydroxy is the substituent. Root word prof. Saturated bond, add ane. Okay, secondary suffix பார்த்தீங்கன்னா aldehyde functional group present ஆயிருக்கு. Okay, so aldehyde functional group present, so add secondary suffix al. Right, so IUPAC name for this compound 2,3 dihydroxy propanol is the IUPAC name of glyceraldehyde. Okay, so substituent 2,3 dihydroxy. So second carbon லையும் third carbon லையும் என்ன பண்ணோம், 1 hydroxyl group வந்து add ஆயிருக்கு. Okay, so 2,3 dihydroxy substituent. Then root word prof, 3 carbon prof. Okay, saturated bond, add ane. Okay, then functional group, aldehyde functional group, add al. So IUPAC name for this compound 2,3 dihydroxy propanol is the IUPAC name of glyceraldehyde. Right. Thank you students, see you next class.